If it's your first time to start using Audacity, it can be intimidating to work with. I know, because that's what I felt when I first opened the app. But don't you worry, in this video I'll show you a couple of things to make great quality voiceovers. What we'll talk about here is how to make your voice sound better with Audacity. I'll show you that even if you don't have a microphone, you can still put out clean voiceovers. We'll be using two simple features that work like magic, so yeah, let's get started. Alright, so on Audacity, this is what it looks like when you open it. From here you can either add a recording, it could be from a recording you did on your phone or maybe a track that you recorded using a different software. Or you can simply press the record button to start from scratch. In this video I'll use a recording I made earlier. Let's have a listen. Hello, this is a test recording for Audacity. Well, you might have noticed that you can hear some hissing or static noises, and that's what we'll fix with these steps that I'll show you. By the way, whenever I record, I always leave a few seconds of dead air before I speak. I do that so it's easier for me to get the noise profile when adjusting the track. I'll show you what it's for. So first, what we'll do is highlight this part where you're not speaking, and then go ahead and click on Effect, and then click Noise Reduction, and then select Get Noise Profile. We're doing this step so that the software can identify the sounds that are considered as noise, and by doing so, it will remove it from your track. And then for the next step, left click on any part of your track, and then press Ctrl A on your keyboard to highlight everything. Then we'll go back to Effect, click Noise Reduction, but this time we'll apply noise reduction by clicking on OK. You'll notice that the static sounds disappeared simply by looking at the display here. However, you'll also notice that the overall volume has gone down. So what we'll do next is to bring the volume back up without losing the quality. Because if I simply adjust the volume rocker on this part of the track, you'll get a higher volume, but the output turns out like this. Hello, 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 hello. See what I mean? Alright, so to fix the volume, we'll do another Ctrl A on our keyboard, and then go back to Effect, and this time we'll choose Compressor. By default, the threshold would be set around -12 dB. I'll adjust it to 30 dB, and that should do it. And then, when you're done, just click on OK. Let's listen at the track one more time. Hello, this is a test recording for Audacity. That sounds much better, right? You can choose to adjust the track further or maybe add more effects to your liking. And when you're satisfied with the end result, don't forget to export your work to save it in the format that you like. For me, I just export my tracks as an MP3 file. To do that, you just click on File, and then click on Export. Next, click Export as MP3. That's it. That's how you make your voice sound better with Audacity. If you're new to the channel or this video helped you out, or maybe you just want to see more tips like this, consider subscribing to Cantobotz. This will definitely help grow the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.